Hi, my name is Paula Lisetta Valdez, and I talk with you about how to make homemade compost. Explanation: compost is a natural fertilizer that helps keep the substrate of private gardens in the best conditions. This homemade fertilizer increases the nutrients and minerals of the soil, and this is achieved with the technique of composting in carry out. Composting is the process in which the controlled decomposition of organic matter takes place. Among the are fruits, burning debris, vegetables, etc., and short scarf for the kitchens are often used. Compost can be made at home in a simple way at a low cost. It's a way to save money of substrate for the garden or orchard, and it's also a way to take advantage of the organic remains that we have at home. The process is easy, but I will also require a lot of passion on your part, since the decomposition of the matter is done very slowly. The result of this procedure is a total organic product that improves the structure of the soil and provides the necessary nutrients to the soil, all in natural way. Instructions: we will need a composter where we can grow our homemade compost, and suitable container in which to add the raw material that little by little will become compost. Our homemade compost mixture will grow for different types of raised materials: eggshells, fruit and vegetable peelings, potato skins, twigs, fruits, starch, wheatgrass, coffee grounds. The key is combining the sugar, cellulose, and nitrogen of the different organic waste and order the prepared that organic compost that in essence the homemade compost. The most important right of preparing homemade compost is that wasted root will not eat anything but a sharpish and skinned mice. We will avoid the risks in two ways. First, interposting will and dry wasted in alternative layers. Second, ventilate or compost mass periodically. And this is final score. Very thanks.